Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to introduce you to Geogebra, which is an application that is used in the teaching and learning of mathematics. Geogebra is a dynamic software designed to enhance the teaching and learning of mathematics. It helps us understand mathematics visually, interactively, and more interestingly. Geogebra is an application that can be used online, or you can even download it and use it offline. So when you open your web browser, then you type geogebra.org. So this is at the website. So when you want to start using Geogebra, you come to this website. So when you click Start Calculator, you will be directed to Geogebra interface. So this is the official Geogebra interface. There are also resources that have been developed using Geogebra. You can access them by clicking on math resources. And there are so many of them. Algebra, you scroll down. But if you want to download, then you have to uh, go to your search area in your browser. Then you type geogebra.org. Then it will display one is starting browser. This one will take you back to the online version and download. So when you click download, be able to download the installable application that you can use in Windows. You can also get GeoGebra and use it in your phone. You can install it in your phone. You can either get from App Store or Play Store. That's for Android and Apple. Once you've installed GeoGebra in your computer or you've downloaded it in your phone, then you can launch it, open it just like another software. So I'm going to open mine here, which I installed in my computer here. So this is the GeoGebra interface. You have the menu bar here. You have options for clearing, opening, and save online, save to your computer, share, the normal functions that you get in other softwares. There's also an exam mode here. This one is for doing exams. So the GeoGebra application has a number of functions. Number one, we have the geometry function here. So this one is useful in the teaching and learning of geometrical concepts. You see, you have various tools here for drawing geometrical figures. You have a tool for polygon here. You can make a polygon in a very simple way. When you click on each tool, you see GeoGebra gives you directions or assistance on how to use the tool. So I can easily draw a polygon. When you want to change the functions, you click on this arrow here, and you'll see that you have all the GeoGebra functions here. The first one here is graphing. This one is useful in graphing of functions. You have the algebra part here, and this area with the plus and this writing here input. So this is where you enter the function to be plotted. For example, you want to plot y equal to x. As simple as that. GeoGebra graphs it or draws the graph automatically for you. It selects the x and y values. Then you also have various tools that you can use in the graphing function. We're going to see this into detail. You also have a table here where you can enter the values of x and y, all the variables that you wish to plot. In spreadsheet here for importing data for graphing or plotting. Then we have another function called the 3D calculator. 3D calculator is useful in uh, handling mathematics in 3 dimension, especially drawing 3D figures, 3D shapes, or 3D graphs. As you can see, this axis here. So basically, the 3D calculator is useful in visualizing mathematics in 3 dimension. You also have the tools which are useful in this section or this function. Have the nets of cube, you see pyramid. So this is basically mathematics in 3D. We have CAS. This is computer algebra system. So in this function, you are able to do mathematics calculations. Let me say solving of mathematical problems, algebraic problems. You can solve equations, differential equations, do integration, uh, generally calculus in this area. For example, if I want to solve a simple algebraic equation, I can just type here, solve, you see, they come here. So I want to solve a simple one. I come and select this option here, solve an equation in X. Then I enter. For example, I want to solve this equation. Maybe X plus 6 equal to 9. Enter that and you see, it's telling me that X is equal to 3. So you can do a lot of mathematical computations and problem solution using the computer algebra system function. And we have probability. So this one is useful in handling problems in probability. You see, we have this area for distribution. So here you have so many probability distribution that you can explore. You have normal, student, chi-squared, and so many others. And they're very, very simple to use. We are going to get into detail later. And we also have the scientific function. This function is more advanced for handling complex mathematical relationships. You can use it for modeling and even carrying out simple mathematical research. So this is briefly about the different Geogebra functions. In the interface here, you also have this area for assign. In this area for assigning, you can assign tasks to students. For example, you're a teacher. You see here you have Geogebra lesson, then Google Classroom. So you can link this application to either your classroom or the Google Classroom. You need to sign in, just like signing in other applications. You create an account. So when you have an account here, you can develop resources and share with other people across the globe. All in all, the visual approach in Geogebra helps us to understand difficult concepts that are not very simple to grasp when they're taught only on chalkboard. Therefore, Geogebra is a very powerful tool for both teachers and learners. In the subsequent videos, I am going to take you into a very fine detail on how to use each and every GeoGebra function. If you found this video useful, please hit the subscription button, engage in the video, and share with your colleagues. And you should not forget to turn on all notification so that the next time I post another video, you get it first hand.